The future of transportation is evolving rapidly. With petrol, diesel, electric, and hydrogen vehicles all vying for dominance, one crucial factor remains: cost. Today, we'll dive deep into a detailed per kilometer cost comparison, analyzing fuel, maintenance, and long-term expenses to reveal the true cost of each technology. We will explore the fluctuation of fuel prices, the efficiency of each engine type, and the long-term maintenance costs that are often overlooked. We will use real-world data to give you the most accurate comparison possible. Let's start with petrol. The average petrol price varies significantly, currently ranging from $1.20 to $2 per liter globally. In India, for example, it is about 100 Indian rupees per liter. A typical petrol car achieves 10 to 15 kilometers per liter, translating to a fuel cost of approximately 8 cents to 20 cents per kilometer. Maintenance costs, including oil changes, spark plug replacements, and engine repairs, average 3 cents to 5 cents per kilometer. Considering both, the total per kilometer cost for petrol vehicles ranges from 11 cents to 25 cents. We must also consider the environmental impact of petrol vehicles. The carbon emissions of these vehicles are much higher than other options. Diesel offers better fuel efficiency, with prices typically ranging from $1 to $1.80 per liter. A diesel car can achieve 15 to 20 kilometers per liter, resulting in fuel costs of 5 cents to 12 cents per kilometer. However, diesel engines have higher maintenance costs, averaging 4 cents to 7 cents per kilometer, due to complex emission control systems and higher engine wear. The total per kilometer cost for diesel vehicles ranges from 9 cents to 19 cents. Diesel vehicles also produce less CO2 than petrol vehicles, but produce more particulate matter, which is also a concern. EVs offer a significant advantage in energy costs. The average electricity price for charging an EV varies, but it is typically 10 cents to 20 cents per kilowatt hour. A modern EV can travel 5 to 7 kilometers per kilowatt hour, resulting in energy costs of $0.015 to 4 cents per kilometer. Maintenance costs are minimal, averaging 1 cent to 2 cents per kilometer due to fewer moving parts. The total per kilometer cost for EVs ranges from $0.0 to $5 to 6 cents. We must consider the source of the electricity. If the electricity is from renewable sources, the environmental impact is very low. But if the electricity is from coal power plants, the environmental impact is higher. Hydrogen FCVs are a promising technology, but they face infrastructure challenges. Hydrogen fuel currently costs $10 to $15 per kilogram. A modern FCV can travel 100 kilometers on 1 kilogram of hydrogen, resulting in fuel costs of 10 cents to 15 cents per kilometer. Maintenance costs are estimated to be similar to EVs, around 1 cent to 2 cents per kilometer. The total per kilometer cost for FCVs ranges from 11 cents to 17 cents. However, the lack of widespread hydrogen refueling stations is a significant barrier. The production method of hydrogen is also important. Green hydrogen, produced from renewable energy, has a very low environmental impact. Grey hydrogen, produced from natural gas, has a much higher impact. Beyond per kilometer costs, we must consider long-term factors like vehicle lifespan, resale value, and government incentives. EVs and FCVs often have longer lifespans and better resale values. Government incentives, such as tax credits and subsidies, can significantly reduce the overall cost of ownership. The future trends point towards increased electrification and the development of a hydrogen economy. Battery technology is also improving, and the price of batteries is falling. This will lead to cheaper EVs. In conclusion, EVs offer the lowest per kilometer costs, followed by diesel, hydrogen, and petrol. However, the optimal choice depends on individual needs, driving habits, and regional infrastructure. The future of transportation is dynamic, and ongoing technological advancements will continue to shape the cost landscape. What are your thoughts on the future of transportation? Share your opinions in the comments below.